Okay, hi, this is Michael Ellis, also known as Elias the Artist, and today we are going to use a mason jar as our lab equipment and a bain-marie or water bath to create the red Philosopher's Stone according to the Emerald Tablet. So basically, what you're going to need is about a half cup, 3/4 cup of dirt, and half a cup of baking soda. So the way we determine these two elements are necessary is by reading the Emerald Tablet itself. It says the earth is its nurse. So basically we're looking at actual earth, like as in dirt. So you want to make sure it's healthy dirt, that it's not chemically bombarded with stuff that's toxic, because you may be ingesting this. So you want to make sure it's clean earth. If it's potting soil, I would pass on that. Now this might have potting soil in it, but I'm just making it for video purposes. So you want to make sure it's clean dirt, clean earth, if that's a thing, if that's possible. I don't know, it might be an oxymoron. But anyways, so compost, well, it'll be boiled anyways, so it'll be sterilized. But compost that is nice and healthy, has lots of good bacteria in it. No slimy stuff or just dead dirt, with chemicals in it. You don't want that. You want nice healthy compost. And for the baking soda, just store-bought stuff. You can get it in bulk. And any mason jar, we're gonna try not to break it. You might need a little frame for boiling it in the water, but I'm gonna try without one. So if it breaks, it breaks. But if it doesn't, hopefully it won't. And lid. You could use saran wrap with just the band, so it doesn't explode on you. It shouldn't explode. It should just vent out the cap. But if you want to use saran wrap so you can see what's going on, that's totally fine. It shouldn't cause an issue, and that'll allow it to vent a little bit if you poke holes in it or something. I'm just going to put the cap on and hope it doesn't cause an issue, like making a dent in the cap or whatever. Because we're going to actually keep it like right below boiling. So, or at the verge of boiling. That's the ideal temperature you want to maintain this at. So we're going to do that so we don't burn our material, which is just a joke thing, but if you do, it smells bad, and I don't know, it just smells bad, and you get lots of bubbling from the I'm going to use saran wrap. Yeah. I'm going to use some Yeah, I'm going to use some saran wrap because the baking soda might make a lot of bubbles. So we have that. So I think we're good to go. And we're going to need water for the mercury of our mixture. So we'll put that in there too. So first we start with our wind, or our air, the bubbly baking soda, which is basically sodium bicarbonate. So it's basically carbonic dioxide. So it's white, or actually we should add the earth first. Yeah, that was a bad idea. I'm gonna have to clean that up later. So yeah, that was a bad idea. Just be careful when putting it in there. So the black stage, the white stage, and we're going to add water in. Just tap water. That should be our last resort for water. Preferably, leave a good half-inch, quarter-inch. What am I got? Good half-inch to an inch of headspace on there. And so we're going to put our saran wrap on. Alright, so we have that on. We have it in our bain marie. So this is gonna just vent, and I should put some holes in it. Let's see. Sorry about the background noise, since my parents watching TV. Okay, so we'll poke a hole or two in there. Okay, so that one. Put it on high. So we'll heat that up.
It is an incredibly shocking number, and it speaks to the kind of moral horror of the Weinstein story. How could this guy have racked up 40 years of allegations and all of this remain silent?
Oops, I spilled some of my dog's water. It's okay, so we're heating it up, and I'll pause, and I'll come back when we actually get some action going. Kind of. Okay, so we're heating along. You can see from the top. Oh, I got the vent on. So there. So yeah, we're getting a good heat going. I don't know if you can see through that. Getting some development of froth on the top. We're bubbling through, as you can see there. So we're getting a nice bubbling. Just leave it there. Let's see if I can get this flashlight on this thing to work. So that's how we're doing on the top, and you can see a little bit better now. Got some woody stuff and some carbonaceous stuff with some leaves and such. So we got that. Oops. Keep it a little more balanced. Can I see that? Some looks like there's, I don't know, that. So we'll just let it simmer for a while, and we'll check back in. Okay, we're back. Let's check on the progress. Let's see the top first. Peel back the layers of our magical mixture. Interesting. Kind of goldeny looking. Yellowish. Magical. Ow, ow, ow. Close. Okay. Take a look at the side. Ways to go. I want carbonate to burn off. So we'll check back a little bit later. Okay. It's so steamy. Just kind of like a crust forming on the top. So that's an issue. But, it's really hot. Oops. Yeah. Going old school with the oven. Alright, let's see what's in there. What do we got? That's pretty. Definitely have some development in there. Beautiful. Beautiful. The more the better. You have to turn the heat down. And we'll check in a little bit later. Okay, well, I turned the heat off. So we'll see what's inside when it cools down. And we'll unearth whatever's in there. So actually smells pretty good right now. Kind of rose-like scent coming out of it.